Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Vedant's World, and today we are going to make a rocket, a satellite and a planet. Okay, let's start. The colors we'll do it later. Okay, now we'll start drawing. So first we'll make the top part of our rocket. This curve and this curve continues. Measuring till here and goes down. The rubber, so I fix my mistake. Done. And for this I'll use scale so I can make the lines perfect. Just this much and this one also. Still this much. Yep, there we go. Okay. Now we are going to make a curve. Connect the line. And now this is like where the all fire comes out. The booster, you can say. Kind of. Now we have to rub the center part. Center point will be a circle. You can make a line that is like this to here to here. You can do one line that's going here, one straight up, and one connecting to this thing. So we are done with this. Now only the remaining part is the wings. The rocket has wings. Here, so I'll drop this part off. Turn and connect. And this line. Done. So we are done with the rocket so fast. Wait, we will make points that look good. One point here. I'm just thinking. Here. Done with the rocket. Now we'll make the satellite or the planet. I think we'll make the planet first. Here's our planet. So circle. First we'll make the ring. This planet has a ring. The ring is done. I'll just make this side a little more long, like the other side. The ring is done. Now, planet. Yep. And now, yeah, we can make one ball here. That'll look nice on the ring. I was just thinking, we can make a ball. That will look good. One circle, one circle, one circle. Two lines. Again, two lines. Okay, we are done with the planet. I'll just make this part a little bit small. Okay. Now we start with the satellite. A dot here. This is connected to some kind of thingy. That is connected to you. That is connected to satellite. Done this much of the satellite I just made. Sometimes I don't talk because that means I'm that focused. This thingy. My father will just edit that out. Simple. Gone. There was a call, but you might not hear that because my father just will edit that out before sending the video on YouTube. But there was a call that just came. And I'll tell him after I finish the drawing. Okay, see, this much of the satellite is done. Okay, now the satellite is done. Done. Now you're thinking this ball is just a random, like this ball is just a random ball that I just drew. I thought of drawing. Okay. Cross and one circle here and one circle here. This one is little bigger and this one is little small. So now start with the coloring. Now I will take the peach color. Should I take orange? Yeah, I'll take orange, not peach. I'll take orange color. Color this outer portion full orange. A little light orange. Okay, I'll just do that. Give me a second. This much has been done by Mr. Vedant. This much has been done, and I'm alone actually. No one's helping me on anything. now I'm done. This one should be orange also, but this one I'll do little darker. Just a little pressure I'm putting. So this looks little darker. See? Now I'll take silver. I think look is gold. Gold. Okay, that's done. Okay, now blue. Yeah, there. This blue and these thingies blue. Oh my gosh! I didn't finish my orange. I thought I was done. I didn't finish my orange. Now this is done. Okay, orange is done. Blue again. So this blue, this blue. This is done, and this is done. Now I'll color this whole part blue. Second, I'll color this blue and then we are done. Not like with the drawing, not with the video. We are done with the blue color. Yeah. Okay. Putting this in. Now, got a little grey. I got a little grey. Like that. Wait, this should be a good idea. And also here. Good idea. Yeah, that looks nice. Now red color. The planet will also be red and wait, just a second. Just a second. And then we are done with the drawing. This is red. Nope. This is dark pink. Where's the red? Come on, let's go. This is red? Oh yeah, this is red. I'll go like this and then this. This. I'm done with this. Wait. This. And I forgot to color the planet. That's red. Not the ring, only the planet. The ring is little grayish, little blackish. So that means dark gray. You can color the grey little dark. Yeah, this is the color. done with this drawing. So I hope you like our video, and if you like it, press that subscribe button, hit that like button, and press that notification bell. So for now guys, bye.